Have you ever paused for a moment to wonder how the beautiful lakes, the winding rivers, and other freshwater systems that grace our planet came to be? Well, it's a fascinating journey that begins with a few drops of water and ends in a complex network of interconnected water bodies. Our journey begins millions of years ago with the formation of the Earth's crust. As the Earth cooled, its crust cracked and folded, creating basins and valleys. These low-lying areas became the perfect vessels for collecting rainfall, giving birth to the earliest freshwater systems. Rainfall, a key player in the creation of freshwater systems, is part of the hydrologic or water cycle. This perpetual cycle sees water evaporating from the Earth's surface, condensing in the atmosphere, and falling back to the Earth as precipitation. This rainwater then collects in the basins and valleys, forming lakes and ponds. But what about rivers, you may ask? Well, rivers start their journey as a small trickle of water, usually from melting snow or a spring high up in the mountains. This trickle then gains momentum, fed by more runoff and precipitation, carving a path through the landscape. Over time, this path deepens and widens, creating a river. Now, let's not forget about the other, smaller yet significant freshwater systems, the streams and creeks. These often form in a similar way to rivers, but on a smaller scale. They start as a small flow of water, usually from a spring or as runoff from rainfall. They then gather more water as they flow downhill, eventually joining a river or a lake. So we now have lakes, rivers, streams, and creeks. But the formation of freshwater systems doesn't stop there. Over time, these water bodies can change shape and size, influenced by factors such as erosion, sediment deposition, changes in climate, and tectonic activity. A lake can become a marsh, a river can change its course, a stream can dry up, or a new one can form. In summary, the formation of freshwater systems is a dynamic and ongoing process. It starts with the creation of basins and valleys in the Earth's crust, which collect rainfall. This water then forms lakes, while the runoff from higher ground forms rivers and streams. These water bodies are not static, but continually change and evolve over time, influenced by a variety of natural factors. So the next time you stand by a lake or a river, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey that water has taken to be there.